Today we are going to see about flame and we also see about how candle burns. So first, the substance that vaporize while burning produce the flame. Kerosene oil and molten wax are the two substances that are responsible for producing flame while burning. Flame is defined as the area of combustion of a combustible substance that do not vaporize during burning do not produce the flame. Structure of candle flames. Flame color depends on three factors. Nature of the substance that undergoes combustion, amount of oxygen, and temperature. There are two types of flames: non-luminous flame and luminous flame. Here are the difference between luminous and non-luminous. Luminous flame, incomplete combustion and color bright yellow. In non-luminous flame, complete combustion and colorless. In luminous flame, it is insufficient amount of oxygen and provides light. In non-luminous flame, presence of sufficient oxygen, so it is hotter. Candle flame different zones. The outermost zone is called non-luminous zone and the middle zone is called luminous zone and the innermost zone is called dark zone. In a candle flame, a quarter of the energy creates in released as heat. The first zone is called the outer zone. The second zone is called the middle zone and the third zone is called the inner zone. Each zone has different temperatures. Every zone has different colors and this will help us in understanding the temperatures of each zone. Due to complete combustion, the outer zone is blue. This zone is the hottest in temperature when compared to the other zones. The blue colored zone is the non-luminous part of the flame. The yellow color region, which is the brightest part of the flame, is the middle zone. It is the moderate hot and partly combustion of fuel takes place. The least hot region of the flame is present innermost. This inner zone is black due to the presence of unburned wax vapors. In this picture, you can see the non-luminous zone, luminous zone, dark zone and blue zone. Now this is the question time. The first question is, how is a flame formed? The answer is, flames are created at a given point in the combustion process, called the ignition stage. The flame is the fire's visible portion. Flames mainly consist of carbon dioxide, water vapor, oxygen and nitrogen. If hot enough to produce plasma, the gas may become ionized. Why is a fire blue? Blue flame is caused by the incandescence of very fine soot particles formed inside the blaze. Owing to a more full combustion, less black body radiating soot is created with increasing oxygen supply, and the reaction produces enough energy to excite and ionize gases molecules in the flame, leading to a blue appearance. The next question is, how many zones are there in a candle flame? 3 is the answer. The next question is, what are the three types of flames? Three main types of flames: neutral, excess acetylene, and excess oxygen. A pure flame is considered neutral because the metal being welded would is moist situations have no chemical effects. We come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel. Thank you.